Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to listen to Spotify with friends on Discord mobile. So first, you have to make sure that you have downloaded the Discord application and also your Spotify. So first things first is you have to go to any web browser and then type hydra.bot. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing and then click this invite button right here. So once you type this invite button, you have to wait until Hydra asks for a permission in order for this application or platform to get connected to your Discord. So you just have to wait. And as you can see here, in order for you to add this Hydra bot to your Discord, all you have to do is to click this arrow facing down and then select the server, which is your server. And then after that, click continue. And then once you have tapped continue, then what you're going to do next is to click authorize. So once you have authorized this Hydra.bot to your Discord, and then you can go to Discord and you should see this Hydra.bot there. Now, the next thing to do is to open your Spotify and then look for the specific music that you want to listen and also you want to share to your friends or share with your friends. So, for example, this song right here, tap this one and then click this three dots at the top right corner. Now, you have to scroll down and then look for share, tap share, and then look for copy link. So, what you're going to do is to copy the URL or copy the link of this song. Once you've copied the link, then you can now exit your Spotify and go to your Discord. So launch your Discord application and then locate that server where you have added your Hydra. Now, what you're going to do is to look for a voice channel here or a general channel here and make sure that you have added your friends inside. And then after that, what you're going to do here, since you have added your Hydra here in your server, so like what I've mentioned earlier, look for a channel, for example, voice channels right here. Okay. So suppose that you have your friends, so join voice and then go to the comment section or comment box. And then the next thing to do is to simply type dot play and then paste the link. So after you have pasted the link, automatically the song will play. However, in some application or in some country, this Hydra doesn't work. I mean, you can only add this, but this one doesn't work. If that's the case, then you can contact their customer service or ask for a help in order for you to use this one or in order for Hydra to work in your server. But this is how you use it one. So if ever you have encountered some problems, then it's either you can uninstall your Discord and then update, or you can either clear cache or do some troubleshooting. But in order for you to simply share your music with your friends or Spotify with your friends, all you have to do is to add Hydra and then go to a specific channel, go to the message box, and then type dot play and then paste the song, and it will automatically play. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.